going on here?
Watch out for the bumpy track. Like Hero told me.
What bumpy track?
It is. Hey, you're going on the wrong track. Go on the track.
I can't be going on the wrong track.
Go on my track. Go forward. Wait, look at this.
See? No bumpy track.
Don't go super slow. It's bumpy. Okay, but watch out for the boulder.
What boulder?
Above you.
Help! 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 Get me up! Help! Help! The boulder! The boulder! Frankie, I need your help. What do you need your help with? Here, take this guy. He's annoying. Help! Help! No! No! Ow! Frankie! There's a boulder chasing me. This is serious. What did you say? Duplicate you?
Look, I'm trying to deliver this boulder to you.
That had nothing to do with what I said.
No,
You said do it right now? Okay.
Hero, I said, I had to deliver this, like, boulder.
Oh my goodness. There's another me. Another me. Get out of the way. I need to do my work. He doesn't even act like me.
Wait, Heroes, watch out!
It's too yellow. No! Run! Help!
Huh?
Get rid of him. He's the duplicate. Which one do I get rid of?
That one
Help,
in
help.
front of the other hero.
Yes, I'm free. The real hero survives.
And let's
Off
get...
the tracks, you.
Wait, what about Steven? He's supposed to be on the track. You see him?
No.
He's behind you.
Ah!
Wait, Steven, watch out!
No.
Stop, Steven. Ow!
This is totally normal, okay? Okay. Just don't worry. This is totally normal.
Why is there a car on the track?
So what happened? How does this happen?
Wait, what's
Annie.
going on?
Annie.
Annie, well, watch where you're going. I'm coming on
Hey.
this track.
What does this button do?
Wait.
Oh. Well,
And
does that mean I'm gonna have to start filming again? I have your replacement. What just happened? I'm the best Annie at being Annie. How can you replace me? Don't worry. Well, Annie.
Whoa, wait, why are you, what? Watch out, I'm right here.
Okay, time to get clipped.
Let me check what's going up.
Whoa!
Let me check what's going up.
Okay, this looks like a traffic jam, so wouldn't really happy if I just cleared it. Okay.
Oh, you look. What? Whoa. Wait, is that a crack? No. Muddy.
The muddy trains are back. Help!
Muddy.
Help! Muddy trains are back. Toby, run!
Muddy.
The muddy trains are back, people.
Muddy.
No! Help!
When
Out of my
did a wash down the towel hat. Muddy!
Help! Stop. Careful! Careful!
Muddy!
Careful!
Mama!
Help! Help! Get me up here! Get me up here!
You can't Muddy though. Muddy, Muddy, Muddy!
That's it. Just get me. I gave up.
Muddy! Muddy! Pussy! Muddy, pussy! Muddy, Muddy, Muddy! Muddy, 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 Muddy! You can't get me muddy. Muddy! You can't get me muddy. Because I'm all clean. In my pussy. Muddy.
These are you. Catapult.
Hold on, it's on this up. We're gonna knock these muddy engines.
Be
That's how
quiet.
it's
Where is the catapult? No, forget it.
I would
Wait,
not
yeah,
tell
where's
you.
the catapult car? Ah! Somebody just got it.
Stay back, Miss Alvin. Oh, wait.
Harvey will do it.
Go. Muddy!
These muddy engines are destroying the island.
That island of solar.
Ah,
By the muddy train. Yeah, the muddy
No.
trains are destroying the island of solar.
No.
Wait, are you doing it?
Aha.
Island of solar.
Hey.
Wait, why are now diesel
Aha. We need someone. Oh, I don't think I have anyone.
Whoa, that was a big explosion. What about Stinky Percy?
Oh, yes. I'm going to stink this place up.
Yeah, you're never gonna stink this place up by Muddy Percy.
Oh no, Muddy Percy.
How about this? Muddy. No, how about this? Muddy, Lufa, Stika.
I'm scared.
That was good.
Let's try Nia. Nia, where'd they
Oh,
go?
Ha! Muddy, Muddy, Muddy.
Help. No one's bringing up the station. I am the bravest of them all.
Muddy!
Ah! You can't catch me, I'm too fast.
How about this?
Look, I'm over here. My table worker has a scratch. No, I gotta go back.
That's what you get from the muddy end.
Hey, do you want to do a race? A race with all three of my friends.
Go!
Percy's winning. The race is winning. He's winning. Percy's winning. Percy! Going the distance. It's Percy first, Thomas second, and James last. That's it for today. What do you say to the people?
Thank you. Goodbye.